How much do you think a brand new bathroom costs? Well, if you're thinking of getting a new bathroom in 2024, then this is the video for you. Here we will discuss what goes into the price of a new bathroom and some costs you can expect when shopping with BathShack in 2024. Here are some key factors that will impact pricing, such as your bathroom size, whether it's a renovation or a new build bathroom installation, the number of products you want to include, your choice of tiling or flooring, material costs, labour costs. Also consider associated costs around plastering, electrics, painting, tiling and putting down flooring. In 2021, the average cost of installing a bathroom started around £800 to the £1,000 mark. In 2024, costs have risen slightly, so you can expect this to be at least £1,000 and more likely somewhere from £1,500 and upwards for a full bathroom fit out. Here at BathShack, we have a fantastic range of products to suit bathrooms of every size and with prices to suit all budgets. So whatever your budget, we have an essentials range, a mid-range and more luxury products to choose from. For baths, our prices start from £139 for more budget items, ranging all the way up to just over £5,000 for our luxury tubs, with lots of cost-effective mid-range options in between. Our toilets start from just £99, with some higher end styles up to £2,700. These would be our shower toilets with all the gadgets. Vanity units start at just £79, scaling up to £3,400 if you want a full floor standing double vanity. While basins begin at £39 for a standard wall basin, ranging all the way up to £459 for a Belfast sink and waste. A thermostatic shower kit starts at just £39, while you can go up to more than £1,000 for a smart shower. Basic shower enclosures start from around £75, with more top-of-the-range enclosures running up to £2,500. A complete bathroom suite, on the other hand, starts at £299 for the basic bathroom suites. These include a vanity, a basin mixer and a waste. Right up to close to £3,000 for more luxury packages with freestanding baths and products with brush brass finishes, for example. Mid-range suites also include toilets, showers and baths, so there are lots of options and price points to choose from according to your preferences and budget. Hopefully this has helped give you an idea of what to expect when you go to plan your bathroom installation. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and like this video. And remember to subscribe for more bathroom knowledge and inspiration videos from BathShack.